Hi, dear YouTube team. I am the owner of the Rainbow Crane Story YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Rainbow Crane Story. And this is my YouTube channel URL. https www.youtube.com channel UCT BFFXUT QFK1 UCTB FFXUT QFK1C9G 4C FH7R6G. I'm from Thailand and I speak local language in Thai. When I make YouTube video in my YouTube channel, the content that what I do is I am telling the story and I write the story by myself. And I record the audio in my home studio, every background, music and the audio that I am using in my studio X. I created it by myself and all of them are my original and my official created. And another thing that I want to say is I am sure that I don't reuse my content and I don't re-upload the same videos again and again. Now I'm going to show you my recording and my video editing process. This is the equipment that I am using for my production. In my editing, I use InShot for my video edit and I use Studio One for my creation, background, music and audio records. What I would like to say is I am not using other people's content. This is why I want to request YouTube team to review my YouTube channel again. I'm confident and believe that I should be in YouTube partner program again. Thanks. Hello? Hello, 1, 2, hello. Hello. Walage nilage nalage kwade akai tulong magdo dogwe kwa dognada pote palo Rainbow Crane Story channel ni lo Klelab lelab ta de ba do dogwe kwa dognada pote pa dognawa Rainbow Crane Story channel ne me ba tu ba ta ne do hingi he ba ba lo subscribe like do comment de ni lo ta de pole yikate akai ne akot do me ba da Walage nilage nalage kwade akai tulong bagdo dogwe wa dognada pote palo Rainbow Crane Story channel ni lo akai tulong bagdo dogwe wa dognada pote pa kwade akai tulong bagdo dogwe wa dognada pote palo Rainbow Crane Story channel ni lo nalage kwade Walage nilage nalage kwade akai tulong bagdo dogwe wa dognada pote palo Rainbow Crane Story channel ni lo Klelab lelab ta de ba do dogwe wa dognada pote ta phe ta ma ne ba kha ba da do ta tu wa ji ta ma wa ji de pha ne lo na the blood con ne na we le lo ji bu do le theda le ji the club na de phani lo